And our treasurer, who spent a goodly part of the year with us and is now tending to her husband, who unfortunately has some medical issues. Linda Doctorman, treasurer, 2016. I talked with her on email today, and I told her that John or Jose will get that to her. Everything we've done, folks, was because of this set of officers here. Let's give them a nice applause.
You don't get a medal?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. It is now my honor to install the officers who will serve your coin club for the year 2017. Incoming officers, when I call each of you by name, please come forward and stand over here. Now, President Jose Gallego. First Vice President Andrew Woodruff. Second Vice President John Weiss. Treasurer David Argo. Secretary Virginia Burke. Corresponding Secretary Joe Swinko. Senior Vice President Gabriel McKinley. Now, I'm going to give each of you a bag. And you are not taking this bag until I tell you to open it. Ready? So, Mr. President, you're the first one. You do not open this until I tell you to. Mr. First Vice President. And Mr. Second Vice President. And Mr. Treasurer.
Mr. Treasurer, I'll listen.
Mr. And Secretary Jimmy.
Thank you.
Joe Swinko. And Gabriel.
Don't we have to
Now, I'm going to read what your duties are, first of all. Jose, you shall preside at all meetings and generally supervise all matters of interest to the club, and appoint any persons needed for club functions and activities. You can use this if you need to make a tough decision. You can open your bag.
This is scary.
I love it.
A quarter.
So flip a coin. Hey. You notice what kind of a quarter it is.
Hey,
Is it a double? A double?
I don't know if it's a rare variety or
No,
not.
it doesn't matter.
But I can flip it.
Thank
Thank you, Jan. Thank you very much.
First Vice President Andrew Woodruff. You shall act as the President in the President's absence. Be charged with the responsibility to see that all committees function properly and act as the editor of the club bulletin, Coin Sense. You will have to make plenty of good decisions. You may not open your bag. Okay.
Oh my goodness.
John White, Second Vice President.
I hope it's a Snickers bar.
You will act as town chairman for the club coin shows and will coordinate auction material at monthly meetings. You will also have to make plenty of good decisions. You may open your bag.
Can we give Mr. Goodbar? Yeah. You got to make a decision too.
Oh, your decision.
Well, you got
You know, it's not as me.
Treasurer.
They run out of ink if I get them and buy them.
You shall record all receipts and expenditures of the club's money. No disbursements may be made without the majority of the town's officers' approval. A statement of all receipts and expenditures shall be made at each regular monthly meeting. Of course. This will help make sure that the company, the club has lots of money.
Please be more money. Or a calculator.
Calculator.
That's funny.
Oh, okay. It's $1 million mark. Oh, so practical. We're almost there.
Okay. Virginia Burke, Secretary. You shall record the minutes of the meeting, preserve all documents, and maintain an up-to-date record of membership. You shall present a copy of the minutes at each regular monthly meeting. This will help you keep a good record of club meetings.
Newspaper.
Hello, Sam. That is so fun. That is so
Now,
cute.
corresponding Secretary Joe Swinko. You shall keep in touch with activities of local clubs and any other organizations of numismatic interest. Present any newsworthy activities and information received at each regular meeting, and assume the duties of club parliamentarian, and send articles to newspapers on the club's activities. This will help you keep up your correspondence.
Stamped envelope.
That's it.
This will be first.
Your friend Israel.
Okay, now we have Junior Vice President, Gabriel McGinley. You shall be a junior member and represent all juniors and be a full voting member of elected officers. You can now help every junior to collect items from the bins.
Yay!
That is so funny. Perfect.
We're involved in all that.
Okay. Now the Heartland Coin Club, 2017 officers, please raise your right hand. Do each of you accept the responsibilities and promise to fulfill to the best of your ability the duties of your respective offices? If so, answer, I do.
I do.
In accordance with the Constitution and bylaws of the Heartland Coin Club, these members have been elected and installed as officers to encourage and speed knowledge of numismatics, to cultivate fraternal relations among collectors, students, dealers, and especially to encourage and assist amateur collectors. I welcome your slate of officers for 2017. I noticed there's another bag over here with no name on it. But would the now past president come up?
Oh.
Well, nobody thought so. Now, you've been president for 10 years, haven't you?
I have.
And you have all that service behind you, and now you're no officer of the club at all?
No.
No. Okay. So now, things have been kind of rough sometimes, haven't they?
Occasionally.
Occasionally. Now your life is going to be a bowl of cherries.
Yes. That's so cute.
Okay, thank you.
So Ken, you sit down, Jose takes over now, right?
That's right.
That's right. Come on. I'm feeling my honeymoon period.
Honeymoon's over.
Pleasure.
Yeah, right.
Need a speech.
I'll be here hopefully when you hit 10 years. So you can conduct the,
Yeah, raffle, okay, got it, we have something.
John?
Jimmy handed me this bag tonight. I don't know what it is.
Yes, if you
Oh, it's for me. Wonderful. I love it. I know it's
No,
me.
give it to the president. Excellent.
In the bag or out there?
Out of
Out of the bag.
Take it out of the bag.
Take it out of the
We
bag.
have something for our outgoing president. Ken has served religiously, constantly, been at every meeting that I've been to, so I'm assuming the ones I missed, he was there too. Great president, really has his heart in the club, and the club would like to make a presentation,
A unanimous proclamation.
Yes.
a unanimous proclamation, as a token of our appreciation for all the work you have done for the club.
Well, thank you.
Members, you can't take it home without showing it to us,
And
right?
now you can use it.
Oh, you want the bag back?
Yeah,
I'm sorry. Sorry.
No, it's right in front of you.
Oh, okay. Sorry.